Hey guys, welcome back. Two Harvard experts revealed 8 businesses that make crazy loads of money. The fifth on the list is capable of making you millions of dollars in revenue back up with proof. These are not your typical side hustles. We're talking about future-proof, scalable businesses. If you watch to the end of this video, you'll discover you don't need to be a business guru to start raking in big bucks. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe because it's about to get interesting. A 32-year-old Harvard grad opened an ice cream shop with her mom. Now she makes $230,000 a year. Want to know how she did it? Continue watching. More business experts like such have ventured into businesses and are now making quick money. The only thing you need to make it work is your willingness to change. In a world of endless opportunities and ever-changing market trends, choosing the right business can feel like finding a needle in a haystack. Your idea or business plan can be a little smaller. America is sometimes called the land of entrepreneurship. According to the Small Business Administration, there are 32.5 million small businesses in the US, and 81% are solo operations with no employees. But with the internet providing ready access to audiences of potential customers, starting a small business can happen more efficiently than ever, whether you're looking for some extra cash or planning a long-term career change. But what's the most profitable small business type? Thanks to a detailed analysis by Harvard experts, the guesswork is over. Their research highlights 8 high-potential businesses designed to thrive in the current economic landscape, offering entrepreneurs a roadmap to significant financial success. Whether a seasoned investor or a first-time entrepreneur, these opportunities could be your ticket to a thriving future. Let's dive into the 8 businesses Harvard says are primed to make serious money. 1. Gaurav Singh founded a fund to buy software companies after his Harvard MBA. Launching a search fund is emerging as a highly profitable business model, offering immense potential to make huge profit now and in the coming years. Gaurav Singh, a Harvard MBA graduate, exemplifies how this approach can be a game changer for aspiring entrepreneurs. After a failed venture in app development, Singh shifted his focus to search funds. The Toronto-based search fund focuses on buying software-as-a-service companies with annual recurring revenue of at least $5 million. With $530,000 raised from investors, Singh leveraged this capital to cover operational expenses and pursue acquisitions, emphasizing the untapped potential in legacy businesses ready for modernization. Singh identifies a massive opportunity in targeting companies owned by retiring baby boomers with stable, long-term customer bases but lacking succession plans. By introducing AI-driven improvements and transitioning businesses to efficient subscription models, Singh has positioned himself to maximize profitability while filling critical market gaps. His advice to entrepreneurs is clear: embrace the search fund model for its flexibility, mentorship opportunities, and the potential for multi-million-dollar exits, proving that with strategic focus, search funds can be a lucrative pathway to financial success. Funding is essential, however. Where to invest and what business plan is also necessary. It is a perfect business idea if you give it a thought. The biggest disadvantage about this business model is funding. That's why I recommend the next option, marketing and brand strategy, as a path to insane profitability. Marketing and brand strategy are essential pillars for any business to stand out in today's competitive landscape. Barry Chandler, a renowned entrepreneur, exemplifies how mastering these fields can lead to significant financial success. By understanding consumer needs, crafting compelling narratives, and building lasting brand loyalty, Chandler founded a thriving marketing company and sold it to a publicly listed firm, securing his financial future. Barry's approach involved identifying unique business challenges and offering tailored solutions. He developed marketing campaigns that resonated deeply with target audiences and helped brands establish a distinct identity in their industries. By focusing on scalable systems and impactful storytelling, his marketing strategies attracted attention and delivered measurable results, ultimately increasing his company's value for acquisition. The marketing and branding industry is worth billions globally, and businesses constantly seek experts who can elevate their presence. As an entrepreneur, I always enjoyed solving a problem and putting together a solution that customers want. Here's how you can turn this field into a profitable venture. Offer niche marketing solutions such as social media strategy, content creation, ghostwriting, or influencer partnerships tailored to specific industries. Position yourself as a brand strategist. advising businesses on how to craft and maintain their brand identity, akin to Barry Chandler's work. Create online courses, ebooks, or templates for small businesses looking to learn marketing and branding on a budget. Build a team to offer comprehensive marketing services, from SEO and ad campaigns to branding and graphic design, and use your knowledge of brand strategy to promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale. Marketing and brand strategy are evergreen needs for businesses, ensuring a steady demand for these services. The growth potential is immense, whether you're starting a small consultancy or building an agency. Like Barry Chandler, you can leverage these skills to build a business that fulfills your financial goals and makes a meaningful impact in the marketplace. Marketing isn't just one thing. You can make easy and more money with more ideas. If you're tech-savvy or an expert on an in-demand subject, share your knowledge by consulting with other business owners. This is a great option to earn money, since you often won't even have to work on any projects. People are ready to pay for advice and insights. Next on the list, website and app development. It should be no surprise that tech is one of the fastest growing industries. The outlook for software developers looks promising, with jobs expected to grow 25% by 2032, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. App development is another growing niche. If you need a background in programming, consider taking online courses to build your skill set and learn the most popular coding languages. You can become a consultant or a freelance developer for corporate clients. But if you are someone who doesn't like to crack their head writing programming languages, the next option will be suitable for you and will make you insane money. If you're a numbers whiz, have an impressive portfolio of work, and have a proven track record, you could have a promising future as an accountant with your firm or financial consultant. Many business owners prefer to spend their days working on their craft and engaging with clients, not sitting at a desk crunching numbers and creating budgets. This means you stand to make a lot of money by providing bookkeeping and advising services to small and mid-sized businesses. Once you've mastered your field, work with other businesses to solve complex problems as a consultant. You could help in various areas like building their social media presence, managing finances, or optimizing internal resources. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS, shows the job outlook for management analysts will grow by 11% by 2029, which means demand for these services is growing much faster than the national average. Whether your background is in HR, finance, marketing, or operations, you can use your expertise by opening a consulting firm. In 1988, Tim McCarthy started a consulting business helping restaurant chains identify and address the performance of the bottom 10% of their outlets. Over the next 5 years, the business grew with name brand clients such as Coca-Cola, Hardee's, and Olive Garden, and made it to the Inc. 500. Tim set out to systemically transform his business from a consulting service to a marketing database company. He hired a New York-based investment banking firm to identify which issues within his company needed to be addressed to make it attractive for a potential buyer. 5 major issues were identified, and Tim set these up as performance targets for his 8-person management team. Over the next 4 years, they hit all 5 of their targets, attracting interest from prospective buyers, and ultimately successfully sold the business. As a consultant, to make insane returns from your hard work just as Tim did, work on your business, not in your business. Wait, hold it there. Do you know you can turn a tiny ice cream business into a money machine? Annie Park did that. She turned a small ice cream business idea into a sweet $230,000 annual income. As I mentioned from the beginning of this video, she is a 32-year-old entrepreneur and Harvard graduate who turned a family venture into a thriving business with a unique twist. Alongside her mother, Sarah, Park co-owns Sarah's Handmade Ice Cream, a growing chain in Bethesda, Maryland. They've built a $1.86 million annual revenue business from humble beginnings that combines natural ingredients, innovative flavors, and community-driven practices. Instead of artificial flavoring, they used real fruits and nuts, crafting combinations like fresh cherries with rose water and apricots with pistachios. Today, Sarah's Handmade Ice Cream operates 2 locations. The original Bethesda location generates nearly $1.1 million in annual revenue, while the second store brings in $767,000. Park is as savvy with her money as she is with her business. In 2022, she earned $230,000, including a salary of $118,625 and $111,677 in profits from the second store. She saves aggressively, putting away over $9,300 in March 2023 alone, and has $290,000 in savings and $157,000 in investments. It may seem like an outdated plan, but the key takeaway is to add your twist to things. Park didn't stick to the usual. She understood the public's demand and gave them something unique and organic. That's what you need to do as well. Whether starting a home-cooked meal business or investing in an organic coffee shop, make sure to put your spin on it. What would you like to do that's not the usual or regular? Find a way to stand out. Ice cream, especially with a focus on artisanal and natural ingredients, remains a lucrative market. Whether you're starting from scratch or considering franchising, following Park's model, emphasizing quality, community, and employee development, can set you apart in the industry. Like Annie Park, you too could turn a passion project into a high-revenue business, proving that even a seemingly small idea can be big business with the right approach. And lastly on the list, virtual wellness coaching. Now, Harvard experts are suggesting going online, and since more and more people are into fitness, it's becoming a trend. Online coaching makes fitness, nutrition, and mental health services more accessible. Virtual platforms let you reach a global audience while keeping costs low, offer one-on-one sessions or group programs, and create subscription plans for ongoing revenue. Tailor your services to specific needs like stress management or postnatal fitness to stand out. The wellness market is valued at over $4 trillion, with significant growth in virtual services. Busy professionals prioritize flexibility in scheduling and delivery. Specializing in a niche like stress management or prenatal wellness sets you apart. So, what are you waiting for? Start a business today and start making money. Let me know in the comment below the business ideas you'd want me to cover next.